Today's video, I'll be cooking Agbugbu. I don't know the name in English, so I would love to know the name in the comment section. If anyone know the name of these beans, please let me know. But in my language, we call it Agbugbu. This is one of the most popular food in the eastern part of Nigeria. Any home you visit, before you spend like 2-3 days in that house, you must be served this food. So I'm just going to wash the beans and pick up the ones that are spoiled. So once I'm done washing the beans, I'm going to put them in the pot to cook. So I'm going to cook these beans until it is very soft. So once the beans is ready, I'm just going to check it, and if it's soft, then I'm good to go. Next, I'm going to peel off my yam. Some people use yam in this, some use plantain, whichever one you feel like using. So I'm going to peel off the yam and cut it in the sizes I want it to be. There are many ways to prepare this food. I think this food is one of the most popular food in Africa, not just in the eastern part of Nigeria. So when I'm done peeling my yam, I'm going to cut it in smaller sizes. Then I'm going to wash the yam and put them in the pot to cook. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please subscribe and let's be friends, okay? Don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. So once I'm done washing the yam, I'll put them in the pot, add a little bit of salt, and then cover it to boil. Once my yam is ready, I think it is time to dive into the main cooking. So the yam is soft. I'm just going to sieve the water and keep it aside. Next, I'm adding oil in the pot. Next, I'm adding crayfish, pepper, onion, salt, and Maggi. Then I'm going to stir it a bit. So once my onions is fried, next I'm going to add the main ingredients. It is called Ukpaka or Ugba. I love it so much. My meal is not complete without adding this. So next I'm going to add the yam on it and give it a stir. So why I do this is because I want the yam to soak the oil a little bit. So then I'm going to add the beans and then mix it up together until the beans and the yam are properly mixed up. So guys, look at it. Without testing it, I know it's going to taste very nice. So after mixing it up, I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes. After which, I'm going to give it a stir, and then that is it. My food is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, leave a good comment, and share. See you all on my next one. Bye.